Hello, it's Andrew from Sansom Watches. We got something really interesting today. This is a Rolex Presidential, 36mm, and what makes it unusual, it actually has factory diamond dial, factory diamond bezel. And what's unique about this is they actually give it a special model number, where we're going to have that listed on the web page. And that's kind of your indicator. The 1/8 is going to tell you that it is a Rolex Presidential with a day and date. And the 348 on the back tells you that it is factory original diamond dials. And back in the day, we had different nicknames, Crown Collection, a couple other nicknames were out there. But everything here is original. And the bracelet's actually really nice. So there were 3 generations long ago. There was non-quick set, quick set, double quick set. That's telling you how quick you can change the day and the date. This one happens to be a double quick set. So this is pretty cool. Year, I think we're coming from 1987, 1988. So if you want to check this thing out, come on down. You know where we're located. Thanks.